Do you know, I stopped to smoke a cigarette, and then I saw something white, and I didn't realize what it is. I think it was a stone, but it's not a stone, it's a dog. It's a fucking homeless dog. Listen, many dogs and cats live on the streets in Bulgaria. It's real. I have videos. Let me show you something. In the description box I will put a link from other videos with homeless cats. They are in my neighborhood. I want to say something to my friend Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg, my friend, I know you got money. I know you love dogs. Please came to Bulgaria and adopt some homeless dogs, or make a shelter for homeless dogs. We don't have money to do this. Do you realize how many dogs live on the streets of Bulgaria? Let me tell you something. The first tape I bought when they start to, when the democracy came, the first tape I bought was a tape of Snoop Dogg. 1, 2, 3 is the D-O-double-G. What's my motherfucking name? Snoop Dogg. I tried to find my lights. I wanna smoke some cigarettes. What? Let me show you what time it is. It's 10:58, 28th day of March. It's the same fucking day. The same day. What they said. Different day, the same bullshit. For real, man. Do you see the year? It's the same year. I forgot the words of the song. What was it? What was it? I lost it. So Snoop, my friend, came to Bulgaria. Adopt some dogs, make a shelter for them. Please, man, I know you like dogs. I'll stop here. Don't wake up the dog.